What's up, dude? Hey, man. Come on.
Hey, Jim. What's up, buddy? How's it going? See you. Okay. What? Who are you going for in this game?
San Jose.
Do that noise, you can get into that.
What are we watching here? Oh! Yeah, man.
Top of the key there. Oh!
Goes. Hey, something's going on with my bike. I'll be right back. No, the bike's still there. Looks all right. Hi, I'm Rob McInnes, and I'm here to tell you about a brand new bicycle lock and alarm system. Bike theft is a concern in any major city, and as we just saw from the video, your bike can be stolen within a matter of seconds. But when it comes to security for bicyclists, everyone wants one thing, and that's peace of mind. Now you get that from a sturdy lock. Not only do we make a sturdy lock, but we also add extra technologies, GPS, Bluetooth, and all those communicate with your phone. When the bike lock is broken, an alarm is tripped, and a text message will be sent to the user. Furthermore, a really loud alarm will go off on the bicycle, which will bring a lot of attention to the thief. In the event that your bicycle is actually stolen, the GPS function will allow you to locate where your bicycle is. Let's take a look at it. Hardware installation is really easy. You want to clip on a sensor on your frame and one each for the wheels. Then you put the lock on and go. If the lock is broken, an alarm will trip, like this. Sensor proximity is another way to trip the alarm. For example, someone's trying to steal your wheel. They move more than 3 meters away from the bicycle, and then the alarm is tripped. You're also notified via text message. Bicycling is a healthy, sustainable mode of transportation. People are using it every day, whether it's to work, school, leisure. You have an alarm for your car. Why not get one for your bike?